this is Max Programming, and today in this video we are going to learn about the how to bold our text and how to italicize our text. So first of all, we are going to means there are four ways to bolden the text or italicize the text. And the first way is the B tag, okay, and the second way is the strong tag to bold the text, and then the I and EM tag to italicize it. uh, and here the difference between them is just that the strong tag, it emphasizes the text. It means that we can customize more it, but strong and EM tag we can customize them, but we cannot customize the B tag and I tag because they are just for styling. I'm going to show you this whole, and B tag is used to bold the text that I have said you, and we have to close here, and strong tag is used for that. I'm sorry. Okay. And here first let's see the bolded text, and if we see it here, there will be nothing the difference because this will be the same thing, but we can just emphasize this one strong, and we cannot do so with the bold with the B tag. And so the same thing is with the I and EM tag. So let's do this one also. And EM here, close. And now let's save it and let's see it. Both will italicize the text, but as we know that it will more it can add more emphasis to the text. This one is just for styling the text, and these tags are used to emphasize the text. And for now only this much. We'll meet in the next video. Till then, stay tuned and hit a like if you like this video. Subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to not to miss any videos. Finally, thanks for watching.